to say that nothing can hold you back because life is not a race. And always remember, you are born to win.
Used to be so careless, careless, but now I'm more than fearless, fearless. Don't stop the sound of the one I start from night to be broken, but we won't stop. So let me hear it. I'm on it. I found my confidence, confidence. There's only one me, yeah. We were born to live, born to make mistakes. Everybody will be brave, every step we take. Together we can go facing anything. Now every step we take, I'm doing better. That's what I do. When it's hard, see, just a gift to me. There's things to do. Nothing can hold us back. Let's make it all right. Ginusto ko to, pero bakit nangyari lahat ng ito? Nagmamagalit at kakandara, kita mo babagsak na sa lupa. Pwede ba muna tayo pumarap, parang di ko na ito kaya. I try, but sometimes I explode inside. Can't lie. Minsan kailangan ko ring aminin pag nahihirapan dapat sabihin. To admit, but I'm broken and need to fix this fire. Balancing on this tightrope, I'm bound to fall from the sky. I'm a zigzag, pull me up high. No wings, don't let me fall off this high. nahihirapan, naghihingalo. Alam kong kaya pero pwede ba munang huminto dito? These wings don't cut me off. No wings don't let me fall like this now. These wings don't cut me off. No wings don't let me fall like this now. Gotta wake up, wake up, wake up. Come on, let it go. These wings don't cut me off. No wings don't let me fall. Pag-ibig na naman ang usap-usapan sa paligid ko. Ngunit kung nais mo malaman, ginamit ko ako. At ang katotohanan ay di ko mapigilang mapangiti. Alam mo nakakabaliw na ang pag-ibig. Sigurado nang hindi papayag ng aking puso mapalayo sa'yo. Oh baby, baby, baby na umaawi mula kusina hanggang sa sala. Lagi-lagi na napapasayahin. Sa'yo lang naramdaman ang bigod man inanaw. Oh, ikaw ka lang araw sa likod ng ulan. Mula kusina hanggang sa sala. Sabi na kanina umaga, lumalala na. Bago matulog ang tahimik, naisip ay wala naman akong ibang hihiling. Kung ikaw ay lang sa makapiling, sa tuwing hinawakan mo ang mga kamay, pakiramdam ko parang laging may hinatay. Cause baby, you're in my sleep, I must be you. It feels so good, I can't believe this what I'm feeling. Cause every time that we're together, I'm a feeling. It's like a fantasy, I'm staying and I'm never leaving. Kumbaga ang aking nararamdaman, aking nararamdaman. Basta nandiyan ka, ngayon sama. Di na mapaliwanag. Ano ba ang iyong hiwaga? Kapag ikaw ay kasama, lahat ay nag-iiba. Basta yan ka lang, walang kailangan. Basta yan ka lang, walang kailangan. Gumagana ka, basta basta dyan ka lang, wala nang kailangan. Grabe naman yung mga energy namin ng kababayan dito sa Dubai! Siyempre, hindi rin mapapatalo ang blooms mula sa iba't ibang parts ng Middle East. Grabe, thank you po talaga sa effort nyo. Thank you po na lagi-lagi nandyan na kayo para sa amin. At gusto ko na po malaman nyo na lagi-lagi din kami nandito para sa inyo. Wait lang. Wait, sino pa dito yung mga lumipad pa?
Dami!
Saan kayo galing? Saan po? Pilipinas! How? Saudi! Oh my gosh! It's so... Malayo ba yun? Malayo!
Tunog malayo naman.
Sino pa?
Sino pa? Ikaw po, saan kayo galing? Wala daw! Wala! Hindi nila kayong address. Wala kayong address.
Pero grabe! Hello po sa inyo! Ano dyan? Sa second floor! Ano mga nasa likod? Yung mga nasa taas!
Kitang-kita namin kayo dito. Grabe.
Okay, okay pa ba kayo, girls?
Yes. Pero wait lang, di ba nag-research ka? Oo. Ay, wait lang, yung kanan!
Gusto ko marinig dito eh!
Ang daming baong light sticks. Kabog! From Beaniverse Araneta to Beaniverse World Tour Dubai. Great seeing you again, Arwalo. We love you. Thank you.
Okay.
Grabe, nag-world tour ka rin, no?
What happened?
Okay? Ready na ba kayo sa Beaniway from our left to right? Okay ba? Okay. Down or right. So, put down muna, tapos Beaniway. Okay. Ako kasi maganda raw yung smile. Sabi nila ha.
Fine,
Sabi
wala.
nila. Ito. Next. Ikaw, anong name mo? Kasi maganda raw yung smile mo.
Kasi buong mukha ko maganda.
Love you, Stacy. Basahin mo, Stacks. Nasaan yung Stacks?
Love you. Oh, I love you too!
Joanna, papisil naman ang Miss Kini Colette.
Alam niyo ba, yung isa sa mga naging RM na, ang daming mga Colette stands dito. Ate, Colette ba?
Ano naman dyan? Isang smile naman dyan.
Kapit-bahay ko yan, yung malaking yan. Kapit-bahay ko yan.
Juliet daw.
Kapit-bahay ko yan kami.
Yay! Lalo tayo ng math game.
Tayo dyan. Sige, mag-TikTok trend. Si Stacks, kakanta ko na. Stacks.
Ano?
Like Jenny ka. Dali.
Kasi tuloy na
Like
kasi.
Okay,
Madali
guys,
na. Nakatausing mo. Dali na like Jenny.
Gusto natin
Go,
yun.
bebe. Go.
Go na,
Ito na yung
Stacks.
Loisy Crabs ha.
Okay.
Kasi guys, yung Loisy 10 lang sila.
Guys, nahingit si Jo.
Ako yung isa doon, so 9 lang. Okay, game?
Go.
Ganun na.
Time right sa akin, Jo. The spotlight.
6, 7, go!
Woo! Gonna rock with Jenny. Na 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 na, sound like Jenny. Na 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 na, sound like Jenny. Hot, hot, hot Jenny. Jenny, 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 Jenny. Woo! Hey, ta 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 ta. Hey, hey, ha, and ha, let's go. Ta 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 ta. Hey, wow!
Palakpakan naman dyan.
Kukunwari. Go, iyak mo na. Kukunwari, hindi naman na nalimutan na kalimutan. Ang bilis niya. Si Bebe naman. Shina-chan. Hi! Nani Gaskin! Tsaka kami! Yung na! Sobrang lakas yun sa ito. Nani Gaskin! Tsaka kami dura! Lakas? Ayan na. Lawan ka mo! What happened, Habibi? What happened, Ate Aya? What happened, Ate Aya? This is our first one.
Ate Aya.
Ay, pangarap ko!
O sige na.
You stretch your legs, okay? While we perform, okay?
Hey guys!
Go, Ate Aya.
Story namin.
Okay. Anong storya ng buhay mo?
Question naman to.
Dear Aya.
Ano, kasi bigla ako nag-cramp sa leg, but tuloy ang laban, everybody. So I'm here, I'm smiling. Siyempre.
Do it all.
Iiyak ka na yan.
Aya. Oh yeah, basta kanta, basta kahit nakaupo ako, gamit yung energy ko guys. Pero dito lang.
Ano lang?
Magja-jogging pa yan bukas, 10 km.
I heard you like confidence. Well, now I got a lot of it. So baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous. I heard that you were busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step upon your line, but let's have some fun with it. 'Cause you know I'm going now. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world. You got that symphony. Like if you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Baby, he's just looking at me. Got me going crazy, baby. No, don't be late. You really like me, baby. Then just blink twice. If you really like me, then you gotta roll the dice. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Alright, goodbye. Let's all dance from this one. Woo! Let's go. At the end, this is for you. My presence is a present. Talking French will keep you guessing. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Good ingredients are hard to find. C-H-E-R-R-Y. There's no going back now once you try. If you wanna speak, just shout it loud. If you wanna spice, you tell me. Baby, I'm getting better, know what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. Play it for me, driving at me. Fast as you can be. Baby, I'm getting better, know what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Good ingredients are hard to find.
Aya! 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 Feel na feel niya eh, no? Yung buko. And birthday!
Yeah, right?
I know.
Yeah, and since we've had a lot of firsts here in Dubai, and tonight we will be performing our latest song release of our EP that has never been performed anywhere else, full version, full blockings, full everything. So y'all better feel special, because it is special, okay?
Animals are force of nature. Are coming like a hurricane. I'll take you down without a chaser. So everybody knows my name. It ain't about the fame. I wanna be remembered for the way the world changes. I got fire in my blood when I move. No, you won't catch me holding up for a miracle. I'm riding
Maraming salamat po. And from all of us, Bini, mahal namin kayo, Dubai! Once again, this is Bini First World Tour 2025 Dubai! Bye, everyone! Do you want more? We will give you more.
Spaghetti pa kinantay pa nito. Sabi sa kapatid ko. Mag-school ka dyan, hindi pa
Blooms, why are you so shy? Clap for Bini!
We question ourselves, we question our worth. But you know what pulled us out? Our faith. And kayo ang loob yung suporta niya, yung pagmamahal niya sa amin. Yun ang dahilan kung bakit kami nandito. Hindi kami basta bumalik. We came back stronger. Not because we had something to prove, but because we remembered who we are and why we started. Maraming salamat sa Barca!
Lagi ng pulit sa kakaisip sa'yo. Nabalikan na parang panaginip ang panahon. Tinatanong ang sarili kung bakit ganito? Ano bang meron sa'yo? Alam mo sadyang may malas lang ako. Lahat ng nabubuong pag-asa ay bumubuo. Alam mo ba naman na sa'yo na magtatapos ang mga pero teka lang, parang napagdaanan ko na ito na pagmahal ang tagal at narito pero di ganito. Nahuhulog ang loob, di natutunan sa'yo. Sana kailangan nalimutan lahat sa'yo. Pagdating sa'yo, bakit ba laging nagpapapilit sa nararamdaman? Natututo sa'yo, sana kailangan nalimutan lahat sa'yo. Pagdating sa'yo, nahuhulog ang loob sa'yo. Nahuhulog ang loob sa'yo. Nahulog ang loob sa'yo.
I know you're all waiting for this song. Now sing and dance your heart out. Okay, let's go. Are you ready to scream to God? Let's go. Let's go. Go ahead, hands up.
Parang di nakataon, ito mabay tadhana. Dami kong sinamantala, mga pintig ng puso. Naghalaan para sa'yo. Ang tutuin sa'yo, to walk with you on silent. Guide by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world. Bakit ko nadarama ang shock sa sabay pag-ibig na. Totoo ba ang pinagama? It's boy, it feels so good. Magmula lagi kita bang papalapit? Gusto pwede ba namin pagkalit? Ano ba bang sinabi? Kakapit pa hanggang huli? Ano ba ang finisan? To walk with you as I better with the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my word. Ano ba kung nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba yan? Oh, nagmasi-masiha. Magmula na makita ka. Wala ng pangangamba. Pag ika'y kapilan. Feels like summer now. Sa islang patropiko. Sa islang patropiko. Sa islang patropiko. I can feel it holding my world. Like a madama. Oh, shut the baby, give it now. Now we want to see this side. Get those jokes on it too.